Afternoon, YouTube. I thought we'd try to do this quick video on adjusting the throttle linkages on the Ford 8N, 9N, 2N sort of tractors. First thing you're going to want to do, you could have your throttle linkage totally unhooked here from the joint that goes up to the throttle quadrant. This could be unhooked. You want to set your low idle, that screw there, set that all the way down to your idle. Then you can adjust this bolt right here. Pull this back, this arm back all the way. If this rod here is unhooked from your quadrant up above, this will move freely. You can pull this back. See if I can get this unhooked. So you can pull that back freely. You could pull this back and get your high idle set with this bolt. And then there's an adjuster right here where you can adjust this rod, and it's got the same thing on both ends like this. And then you can adjust this for your quadrant being wide open, and then this being pulled wide open like that when your quadrant is hooked back up. And that would put you at high idle when it's pulled up into the high quadrant. When you pull it back down, it should pull you all the way back down, and it should pull the carburetor back down into an idle. You want to adjust this long rod that goes between that arm right there. See if I can get up there, move it. That's the one that goes up to your throttle quadrant up here. You want to pull this all the way to the high idle, then adjust this rod down here to fit between the two when your governor is pulled all the way to the high idle stop. That will adjust that long rod. This little rod here that goes to your carburetor, that's not adjustable. It just stays straight, hooks to this arm here, and goes back behind to your carburetor and hooks to the butterfly on the other side. That's basically all there is to setting these. If you set your low idle, there, you have your low idle. That would be there. Pull this back, set your high idle. Then pull your quadrant back all the way up to high idle, or a high RPM, 2200. Then adjust this rod right there, that knuckle, and that knuckle. Adjust it so that it fits between the two at a high idle. And you should have full range of your quadrant. Try that, see if that helps you on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.